Today is April 29th, and today for lunch we'll have a chicken sandwich, steamed broccoli, applesauce, and your choice of milk.
Alrighty, STEM students, I'm going to start by announcing the STEM Soiree Raffle. Did you know that you and your family could win a free trip to Universal Studios? eSTEM students received tickets this morning to sell to their friends and family to fill out for a chance to win. Tickets are $5, and the winner of the raffle will be announced at eSTEM's annual Soiree fundraiser on May 14th. And here are a few more details. The winner of the raffle drawing will receive a trip for 4 to Universal Studios. The trip is valued at $3,000 and includes airfare, lodging, and park passes. The high school student that sells the most raffle tickets will get a Google Chromebook with a personalized case. All the proceeds from this fundraiser will be used to provide our students and teachers with amazing educational opportunities via eSTEM's innovative grant program. If you have any questions or need more tickets to sell, please email Ms. Dupriest at krista.dupriest@estemlr.net.
Seniors, remember your baby pictures were due today, so if you don't have them, make sure you bring them during AP testing week.
All right, eSTEM High graduation will be Friday, May 20th at 7 p.m. and graduation practice will be held at 10 a.m. earlier that morning. Both practice and graduation will be held at Euler at the Jack Stevens Center.
Beta Club Book-a-thon donations. Give a gift of adventure. Donate to K through 3rd grade level reading books. All member needs to donate 2 or more books. To donate at the end of the semester to the elementary kids. Give them to Mr. Hamley and by May the 19th.
Okay, seniors, if you have any dues to the office, please have them paid by today. These dues include textbooks, lunch fees, etc. And if you're looking for volunteer hours, contact Ms. Walls at ruthie.walls@estemlr.net.
We have one birthday today. Jesse Horton. And over the weekend we have Damon Mobley. And that's all the birthdays we have. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, you guys! Yeah.
Woo.
Well, we enjoyed doing the update for you the past year, and
We're gone.
see you at graduation.
May what?
May 20th. Yeah.